Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a good weekend. I thought I would do a video on these, which are garlic scapes, and thanks to Ali from My Rusty Garden on the good advice, and thanks very much for that. I've came down today to take them off. I did a bit of extra research into what they are and why they grow and all the rest of it, so for those of you who don't know, so they sort of grow out of here, and I've cut them off already, so I don't think you need to see me cutting these, but that's basically what they look like. So I've got a few in there. You can't eat them. I actually did eat one raw, so if you don't see any more videos you'll know that I was wrong and you couldn't eat them, but now you can. They've got a hint of garlic on them, so you've really got to cut them off, because if you don't, the power doesn't go to the bulb, it actually goes to the scape. So it's a good idea to take them off, and then you can saute them, you can chop them up and freeze them, you can use them in cooking, and like I say, I've just ate one and it does get a nice taste of garlic on it. So anyway, as I said, thanks Ali, that was amazing. I'm going to put a link to Ali's channel in the description, because she's one of my favourite ones that I watch. She's one of my subscribers as well, and she makes really good videos. Really nice lady, so have a look folks. Right, so that's it really. It was only just a quick one about garlic scapes, because I never knew nothing about them, so I just thought I would share what I'd found out. And when they produce scapes, it means the garlic should be ready to harvest in about a month's time, seemingly, according to Google. So let's see. So anyway, enjoy the rest of your Saturday, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.